Assalamu alaikum viewers, how are you all? I hope you are doing well. I'm your teacher Abdul Jabbar Ansari. Today's our conversation is about daily conversation. So the sentences which we say on regular basis, on daily basis, especially when we start conversation. So we call all those sentences in one category. We say then that they belong to greetings. And when we greet anybody, so it comes into good manners. So when we meet anybody in the morning time, we say good morning. And when we meet anybody in the afternoon, after 12 o'clock, so we say good afternoon. And after 4 o'clock or up to 5 o'clock, when we meet anybody, so we say good evening. We can also take the name of the person if we know them. Like we can say good morning, Papa. We can say good afternoon, Mom. We can say good evening, Uncle. But if we know anybody very well, so we can also say like that, hi, Hassan, hi, Kashif, hi, Umair. So we can also say using hello, hello Nita, hello, any name you can take, hello Amna, like this. Or if you are very much friend with anybody, so we can you can also say, or we can also say, hey, Asad, hey, Asgar, like this. Or we generally use, hey man, if you want to take attention of anybody. This is these all are of the sentences about when we meet anybody. So in first we say these all sentences. So this portion focuses on these all sentences. Now we are coming to our second part, which is that when we depart or when we say bye bye to anybody, so what words or what phrases can we say to them? Like first one we can say good day, or we can say have a good day to you, or see you again, see you later, see you again, or okay, see you later. We can say take care, bye bye, or take care, bye. We can also say just bye bye. Goodbye, we can say. But if someone is close to us, so we can say goodbye, dear, and we can take the name of the person as well. Or we can simply say goodbye, dear. Now, if anybody who is elder, so he can say to children, goodbye, children. I hope in today's daily conversation you have learned a lot. I'm hopeful that you will use them in your daily conversation. Uh, so this is all about today. Inshallah. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.